Hi, all. Welcome to Data Ad Hoc YouTube channel. And for today's stream number 83, I will try to understand Apple's new WWDC 25 event, where it is available live on their YouTube channel. So it's long, 1 hour 32 minutes 26 seconds duration. However, out of this 1 hour, 1.5 hour event, people try to there is more discussion about liquid glass other than in any features. So let's try to understand why that particular discussion, trolling kind of discussion happened, and is it really failed or not. For me, actually, they have also this article where they mention about details about all the new features they have launched. uh, so we can see that, yeah, for this new design with liquid glass, elegant new design gives developer the opportunity to make app more expressive and delightful while being instantly familiar. It's crafted with new software based on material called liquid glass, which combine the optical quality of glass with sense of fluidity. So we can see that when this particular you navigate through Apple's device, you can see that it's kind of like having glass over the screen, and you can feel that kind of navigation, and it seems very like uh, for for uh, for me it seems very great update. But when I wanted to when I was watching that particular thing, then simultaneously, instantly, I got remember about that Windows Vista. So Microsoft previously launched Windows Vista. uh, like it has same appearance, but actually I like that kind of thing. But uh, later they have removed, it seems. And it's as per this article, Apple liquid glass is Windows Vista done well. So they have kind of polished that kind of interface, and we can see that updates, it's more like user friendly for uh, that features. So we can see here. So let's try to understand more. Native framework like Swift UI give developers everything they need to adapt the new design on their app. The universal design allows developer to bring greater focus in their user content, establishing consistent experience when the developing across platform. So we can see that it's kind of more transparency they have come up with. They kept like boundaries or uh, boxes, but they removed that border. So that shape, that same thing, or that distance we can see here. So earlier was that yellow one, and now they have changed to this one. You can like feel the what is behind that particular logo or icon. But before taking people reaction, let's try to understand what they have come up with for this liquid glass. So they have this
Want to see something?
uh, video on YouTube where they mention about what they have launched during that. So it's around out of these 2 minutes, it's only about 15 to 18 seconds, but people remember only this Google Glass, and they try to this feature, it seems, get backlash from users. I think like this particular trolling happened because Apple's tried to showcase their new updates all in once during this kind of events. However, as per till now, this for this particular video, I can see that liquid glass is one of the kind they could have come up with, and this particular like this particular update, like translation, they could have shown on in that meeting. But updates like having you can take directly record this call, or start with the call, those kind of features are not worthy for uh, big event, and they could have uh, explained more about this liquid glass in detail. They could have start campaigning uh, before this event, so they could have understand what needs to be pressed during event, particularly for liquid glass, and what should be avoided, because it seems that this liquid glass is launched earlier, and there was some glitch happened even after, because it's not fully completed this app. So we can see some users have provided this glitch as well. Yeah. So when after this event, when people installed new iOS, then they thought they encountered that this is still there are some technical glitch and it's not fully installed. So this particular uh, scenario could have been avoided.
Intelligence is getting some cool updates.
C'est ça mon secret.
Like get praised from users. It was long awaited feature. You can use as a touch screen for Apple iPad, and it is very this is all about what are they have summarize in Google Apple event. Let's try to check particularly detailed video about liquid glass, and try to understand, because this is something they uh, feature is most talked about, and uh, even though it's look very like uh, can be created with other features as well, because after you some after event, some users showed that it can be created using framer as well. So this is the particular there is so yeah, here is uh, Rahul Chakraborty. He said that he achieved in Framer liquid glass surface, fully customizable property, blur, distortion. So you can see that, but even though it looks similar to that, it's more kind of like this Apple liquid glass is more kind of like furnished, and they have this process, but it's seem like it's not required as of now. Instead, they the more users have more hope for they will showcase their Siri intelligence, Siri with AI backbone, and AI, more AI features they wanted to watch, or they were expecting. But this AI features in phone uh, being showered to user by Samsung instead of Apple. So Apple seem as of now it seems lost race for AI, but with maybe they wanted instead of AI they wanted to show other features user friendly, but it's not worked well this time.
Software is the heart and soul of our products. It brings them to life, shapes their personality, and defines their purpose. At Apple, we've always believed it's the deep integration of hardware and software that makes interacting with technology intuitive, beautiful, and a joy to use. iOS 7 introduced a simplified design built on distinct layers, smooth animations, and new colors. It redefined our design language for years to come. Now, with the powerful advances in our hardware, silicon, and graphics technologies, we have the opportunity to lay the foundation for the next chapter of our software. Today, we're excited to announce our broadest design update ever. Our goal is a beautiful new design that brings joy and delight to every user experience, one that's more personal and puts greater focus on your content, all while still feeling instantly familiar. And for the first time, we're introducing a universal design across our platforms. This unified design language creates a more harmonious experience as you move between products, while maintaining the qualities that make each unique. Inspired by the physicality and richness of Vision OS, we challenged ourselves to make something purely digital feel natural and alive.
You get same experience when you use uh, like Apple product for this liquid glass, because if even though it's look artificial, we get that feel when we use that.
Live, from how it looks to how it feels as it dynamically responds to touch. To achieve this, we began by rethinking the fundamental elements that make up our software. And it starts with an entirely new expressive material we call liquid glass. With the optical qualities of glass and a fluidity that only Apple can achieve, it transforms depending on your content or even your context, and brings more transforms depending on your
When I just have
fluidity
this
that
uh,
with the optical qualities of glass and a fluidity that only Apple can achieve, it transforms
for with this particular frame, I just remember about Airbnb logos. Recently they have covered, so it was great success for them, people accepted it. But it's this liquid glass also gives same look, but it's give like 3D properties to it, but not good as similar to like Airbnb new like UI interface.
depending on your content or even your context, and brings more clarity to navigation and controls. It beautifully refracts light and dynamically reacts to your movement with specular highlights.
So with this, there was one meme where they mention about uh, with this screen, people not able. It's like so bright that people not able to understand only. So they have. So I missed that now, but it gives like so bright that with this people not able to read.
This material brings a new level of vitality to every aspect of your experience. From the smallest elements you interact with to larger ones, it responds in real time to your content and your input, creating a more lively experience that we think you'll find truly delightful.
Actually, I like this kind of update, but I don't know some why user or critic don't like. Maybe those are like critic, they are against Apple, or they are more in favor of Samsung or other, or maybe those users are uh, already used similar kind of tools in past, like Vista or Vista, just for example. And even though it is kind of more polished tools now, but since people already had hands-on this kind of update or features, they didn't like it. And with even though it's look very cool sometimes, but sometimes for while we using different features, it gives it is not very it affects our eyes with brightness sometimes, I think. But overall, I like this kind of features, liquid glass.
Elements once considered for rectangular displays have been redesigned to fit perfectly concentric with the rounded corners of the hardware. This establishes greater harmony between our software and hardware, where thoughtfully considered groups of controls free up valuable space for your content. Liquid glass is translucent and behaves just like glass in the real world. Its color is informed by your content and intelligently adapts between light and dark environments.
This is one of the cool features. So it shows like just we are watching through mirror, and we can identify like what is the color behind that particular logo or icon.
And as a distinct functional layer that sits above your app, the material dynamically morphs when you need more options or as you move between views. We've applied this same dynamic nature across other experiences. Instead of taking over your whole display, alerts appear from where you tap. Context menus expand into an easily scannable list. When you scroll, tab bars shrink to elevate what's in front of you, and they instantly come back the moment you scroll up. Your entire experience becomes more intuitive, from navigating apps to system experiences like the lock screen, notifications, and control center. App icons have been crafted with multiple layers of liquid glass and come to life in light mode, dark mode, colorful new tints, or an all-new clear look. The new design extends to the dock.
So you have option to choose between like what like how that particular feature will behave. Also, it seems that transparency level also we can adjust as per our like suitability.
And even to your widgets, giving you an entirely new way to personalize your experience. We've always cared deeply about every detail of our software design. And it's these moments of beauty, craft, and joy that bring our products to life. Our new design blurs the lines between hardware and software to create an experience that's more delightful than ever, while still familiar and easy to use. Today marks an exciting and beautiful new chapter for our design, one that sets the stage for our next era of our products and how you interact with them every day.
So that features, now people are speculating like whether Apple Samsung will release similar kind of feature or not. And some few people says that it will not release because they are more focusing on AI part. But this kind of features updates actually need to be discussed, because over the time Apple will get like feedback. And if, even though I think this get backlash maybe because kind of like they failed in PR kind of thing. But overall, these features looks good. We can adjust this features suitability according to us, customize it. But somewhere Apple should have like step by step they have could have been introduced these features to uh, people. So and because of we are now in social media age, so whatever good or bad happen, there are always critics happen. uh, mostly for good features, and people, I just request to Apple that give people what they want, not what you want. And so maybe we will see new updates in upcoming their Apple events. So that's it today for Data Ad Hoc stream number 83. Let's meet next time with another interesting update. Thank you.